In this video, I will take you through all the complete process on how you can import from China without using agent with 1688 step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Saoba, or Pindodo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step-by-step on how you can be a procurement agent or a procurement coach, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see all the steps you need to take, a complete process on how to import from China using 1688 without using agents. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Having opened our 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you source for an item. There are two ways to source for an item on 1688. One of the very first way is to type the keyword of the item you are looking for into the search engine right here. Then from there, you'll be able to see different items that you are looking for. Okay, so the second way by which you can source for an item is to upload the image of the item by using this camera icon here, which stands for image search. So when you upload the image of the item, you are going to see a variety result. Then from there, you can pick any one of the item you are interested to purchase. Okay, so after search for the item, so these items right here is what I'm going to purchase. Okay, but before we can purchase an item from a particular store, first thing we have to do is to make sure we add the item to cart. So for us to add the item to cart, we have to make sure we click on here. So you are going to see detail about the item available and the quantity available at the time. So I need this item, I need transparency color. So I'm going to select the transparency color. So for this one, I need 5G of 20 pieces. So I'll have to come here and type in 20 pieces. So I'm going to click on that. Then I will make sure I type in 20 pieces. Okay, I need another color of this particular item. So I need black. So I have to click on black. Then 20G right here. Then I need it to be 5 pieces. So I have to click on here and type in 5 pieces. And I'm going to click on OK. Then I need another color. So I need pink. I'm going to select pink right here. Then 20G of 5 pieces. So I have to come here and type in 5. I'm going to click on OK. Then I need purple. This is purple color right here. So I'm going to select on that. Then I need it 20G 5 pieces. I have to make sure I come here and type in 5 pieces and click on OK. Then the very last one, I need blue. This is blue color. I'm going to select on that. I need it 20G 5 pieces. I'm going to type in 5 pieces here. I'm going to click on OK. So what I'm purchasing from this item total is 40 pieces. Once you select everything you need, next thing you want to do is to click on here to add item to cart. After a successful add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to fill your cart. So all the items is going to be in your cart line up like this. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the item. So having selected the item, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can check the preview from the checkout right here before you eventually go ahead and make payment for the item. Right here, I'm paying the sum of 16.80 yuan to purchase all these 40 pieces of item from a single store. Okay, so for me to proceed to payment, I have to click on here. And I'm going to click on here to proceed to payment. And I'm going to click on here to confirm my payment and enter my payment password. Boom. So payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close the pump up. Then I need to go back to my profile. So for me to go back to my profile, I need to click on here. I need to click on here at the top right here. Then for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just source, add to cart and make purchase is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the items right here. So this is the complete process on how to source, add the item to cart, check out, and make payment to Chinese supplier on 1688. Complete process step by step on how to import from China to whatever country of your choice without using agents. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tauba or Pindodo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.